A group of contractual nurses yesterday met Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo to do away with the recruitment of nurses on contract basis as they wanted permanent appointments. They also submitted a memorandum to the minister rejecting the contract recruitment ordered by the department. They also stressed the need of relaxing the age of some applicants and wanted a refund of money for those who had applied for contractual jobs.
During this exam, we have also requested to ensure fair and square recruitment. So based on this, we have requested that they should display the marks of all the candidates, including those who passed the exam and those who didn't pass the exam. All the candidates who appeared, they should display in the public notice so that everyone will know their marks. Then another thing is, because this exam, they said that it will be based on OMR base sheet. So we have requested for timely declaration of result. So they said that they will ensure within 72 hours. If not 72 hours, they will work out in it, but they will make sure within 72 hours.